Syukur nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Uba Roy Kupar Senrem ubadeu General Secretary kaseng HYC ulaong baga jela kadon kam ni kinongelam kibakit kli ki nongelam kumu Konrad Sangma uban nakapor sakapor habaki seng bahalang bat kipat ba ka jela ki dawa ban pentre kam no ya ka ILP bat ban penrung ya ka tien khasi bat garo ka kernit ka bapra ujuong baka sorkar pedeng kadang yai pethu si yai pethu ya kata ka jing dawa haba kren sikilat pathai khubor menta ka sngi ka saw tarik unai leber arhajar arpulai hadin balawai ka jingelang ka seng hamot pran ban penrem ki arngut ki MLA ke HSPDP ki balalet ban ajing kerjanya ka seng NPP ban thau ya ka sorkar senrop lang uba Roy ulaong beman ka por haba Konrad Sangma baru ba Preston Tensong ki lej ban yakendo yo Amit Shah ubadeu menteri ketenat ki kampo yeng kari bat yo Narendra Modi ubadeu menteri rang ba do kari Kim Ju Yalam Satya ki wei ki nongmi khmat ka yeng dor bar thawan ka jela Henry kila lej hi tang arngut bat ki shia lej di sha sa Delhi bat anda haba kilawan pai kila ai juba ba kateka kam kadang don bet hapedeng ka jing yakren.
Not the Congress, not the TMC.
But just now you stated
No,
in
I
your
said that
statement
I want no. Ngang bang akwa ngikwa banyo iba ka regional-led government should be formed, which means BPP, UDP, HSPDP, PDF. Katnay makikin lead yung government. Kata ka support ka ba ka TMC ka ay ka Congress ka ay ka
But without the support of the Congress and the TMC, the regional parties cannot form government,
ngisuko. I know that. I know that's why they are supporting. Ban yun ray kata ka jingkli ka jong piong ya ka ILP an ya ka ting kasi
Because
IP who will implement.
You mentioned
Who will
in your
implement?
statement just
Implementation
a while
will
ago.
come from the central. The central is kadon ka BJP. Ngidon kami kinoilam ki bashim ka jingkli ya. Ngimdon kami kinoilam kumukura sangma ba nakapor sa kapor si ong bet ba examination. Katnusin ngilaong yalam baro anru pungot ki MLA banlit sa Delhi. Balik lam yalam. Yalam the all parties meeting manlit ya kendu yo Amit Shah manlit kendu yo Modi balik lam yalam let hi tong Konrad let hi tong Preston shu let ya di syang tie dalade wan pai seni dak kali ja you examine ngidon kam yo nong yalam yo chief minister uban shim ka decision balada don kam manlit nru pungot ki MLA kin let la don kam bagi sang balang kin let ngin ya let lang la don kam ki dor bar snong kin let ngin ya let lang ban panik LP ban panik ting kasino